So you can have the best email in the world, write the best copy, have the best subject line, send it at the right time, have a really engaged audience. But if you're driving people to a landing page that sucks, you're not going to get the results. So landing page design and layout. There's many blog articles and videos already about this, so I'm kind of rehashing something that you probably already know. But if you're new to landing page design and structure, this is just a quick primer just to give you an overview of how I approach my landing pages based on kind of what other people are doing and stuff that I've read, and also by kind of conversion rates as well, and of optimizing that over years of trial and error. So as you can see on the page, this is one of my landing pages. They all have the same structure. And this one's for my 2x emails course, which is, as you can see, $147. And it's available in my community email lab, private email marketing community. There's a quick video here giving people an overview, just like a 3-minute video. And there is just a brief heading, bit of blurb here, bullet points, and that is it. Like there's nothing else going on down there. And that is the thing, like 3-minute video, really simple CTA button, really simple heading, really simple bullet points. The key to a good landing page is less is more. Give people a message in seconds. Don't make people think, don't make people read big long chunks of copy. So that's what I've done. And other people kind of follow suit. They kind of do a similar thing. So this is one from a guy called Matt who runs Seven Figure Creators. And again, like I'm trying to scroll, there is nothing else going on. Really simple bullet points, heading, quick video, couple of minute video, and a massive button to book a chat. Similar structure. And there's this one, which I watched a YouTube video with this guy being interviewed. Can't remember his name, but he has tested and optimized his landing page to the point of obsession. He drives people to this landing page using Facebook ads, which is something I'm going to be trying and feeding back and letting you know how I got on with that. But this is kind of really, really simple. It's almost like every part of this landing page has been well thought out and constructed. So, you know, been around 14 years. It's free training. I'd maybe lose that. I mean, he's put that up for a reason. It obviously works, but I'd maybe lose that because it's almost like it's drawing your eye up there. Or I would rather kind of just keep people here. Like I would make it just that. But again, really simple heading. Slightly different structure to kind of what I've done and what Matt's done. He's kind of got the heading and the text here. But again, you can see really, really simple. Video, big button, some bullet points. He's got a bit more copy down here. So I guess if you're kind of not completely sold on this stuff at the top here, you kind of go, maybe not. There's a little bit more. So like, here's why to kind of trust me. Here's what you get included as a bonus, and an even bigger button. Like, you really do need this. So I guess it's good to do that. Like if people aren't particularly sold on the stuff at the top, you can kind of say, you know, here's a bit more information. Here's a bit more kind of social proof. You can have kind of quotes and some social proof down there. You can have some, you know, extra bonuses. I have done that with my landing pages. I find less is more. I try to kind of get the message across really quick. Another example for you from Conversion Lab. Being Conversion Lab, all they do is conversions of landing pages. So as you can imagine, and this is the thing, like if you want to learn email marketing, subscribe to emails from email marketers. If you want to learn about SEO, look at the websites by SEO consultants and SEO companies. If you want to learn about conversion and landing pages, look at landing page providers like Conversion Lab. This will give you an indication as to, right, so based on all of their knowledge and their pool of data and tests, this is what they're doing. It's got to work, right? So this is what they do here. A little bit more blurb here. This is the main. This isn't just a landing page. So unlike these where they're landing pages, this one is the homepage of the website. So effectively, the homepage of the website looks like a landing page. And you'll see that with some websites, they look like landing pages. They're really simple, structured, less is more. Like, there's nothing going on up here until you scroll and then the menu appears. And they are actually just blocks in the landing page. So effectively, his website is just like one landing page with sections on it. So these are kind of anchor links to sections here. Bit of social proof, services, optimization process, kind of a before and after and a quick example. I love that. That looks good. And it's very much around this guy, like he's selling himself as the brand. Again, some more examples, more social proof, a bit more information, and then down to the bottom. So there's not much going on. There isn't any pages on the website. There's just like one page, but it's fairly long. But I think all of these sections in that page are really, really highly optimized, and it works. And actually, if I jump forward, so, Uber, if you just go to uber.com, it'll take you to your location, but it is effectively a landing page. There isn't a lot going on the website. And I think WeWork used to have a similar website. I think they've changed it now. But really, I mean, for a big business, their website is pretty simple. There's not much going on. So they've kind of taken a similar approach to this, where they are highly optimizing their main website homepage to be like a landing page. And to be fair with Uber, like if you go to uber.com, you know who they are anyway. So do they really need to give you the background information? You know them. There's a kind of a trust element there already. You're going directly to it. So I guess it's people who are just going straight to uber.com or Googling uber.com rather than stumbling across it from like a Facebook ad. Going forward here, so this is and this one, these are landing pages from landing page companies. So Lead Pages and Unbounce, they are landing page builders. So these are landing pages from them. So one would think that what they're doing is highly optimized. So maybe just, if you should Google Lead Pages or Google Unbounce and click on the Google ad at the top rather than the main website, generally speaking, you're going to go to a landing page, and you can see that there, LP dot, and on here it's / landing pages. So on here, very highly optimized, very simple, some examples of what you can do, some social proof, some features, but very simple, very clean. And what you'll notice across all of these pages is that the buttons are massive, the text is big. It's almost like they're kind of mobile first pages, or they look really clean and simple. Not much kind of design structure going on. They're very single column, very simple design. And Unbounce here, kind of a similar thing. Heading, blurb, button, image, similar kind of basic structure to the website. I wouldn't say this is as good as the Lead Pages one. For some reason, doesn't really grab my attention as much. But again, these guys know more than I do because they're in the game. A couple of other examples for you from a couple of well-known brands. So first up is Shopify. So Shopify landing page to get you into a free trial. This is the landing page they use if you click on Shopify ad, Google ad. So if you just Google Shopify, click on the ad at the top, this is probably what you'll come to. Although, in the UK, this is what you'll come to. So this is really just going straight in with the come and start a free trial. This is what they're plugging. And that's really what you want to do with a landing page. You don't want to be selling multiple things, multiple CTAs, multiple kind of offers. A bit like how I tend to approach email, you want to go in with a very simple, clean website with a very with one offer and one message. So less copy, one message, keep it really, really simple and clean and obvious. Three really great offers there. Drag and drop website builder. Yep, I'm in, easy. Pricing, okay, cheap. Trusted, great. Okay, so they've got me. And there's some brands that I would have heard of. Have I heard of any of those? I've definitely heard of Gymshark. And a bit of social proof there, and that is it. That's their landing page. There's nothing to it really. And it doesn't really go to anywhere else either, and that's not a clickable logo. So they want to keep you on here, and they really want to push you into getting a trial. And this one is from Slack. So again, a very simple one, similar structure, brands you would have heard of. I've heard of all of those ones. The different plans and offers, why Slack is great, why it works, frequently asked questions, buy now and save 50%. So really, really simple landing page there. So back to mine. That's kind of the approach that I've tried to take here. Less is more, and really focus on produce a video because videos are highly engaging. Just like 2-3 minute video, really simple, big CTA, get people in. Like, don't overcrowd it, don't give people multiple options. Make it really simple, and try to keep it on the one page without scrolling down. That's what I try and do. So yeah, bit of a longer video than what I was originally going to do, but hopefully you found it useful. Tell me what you do. How do you approach landing pages? Do you find really, really long sales pages work better for you? Because I have seen a lot of landing pages where it's like loads and loads and loads and loads of copy. I guess it depends on who your target demographic and your ICP is. If you're going after lawyers, for example, or corporate, if you're going after kind of enterprise level, people probably do want to read a little bit more because they ultimately have to pitch the software or the service that you're providing to maybe another stakeholder. So yeah, there are cases where you would want longer copy. Let me know what you think.